Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer rent roll to financial statements using Open QuickBooks and log into your company file. Navigate to the Reports section on the left sidebar. In the search bar, type rent roll and select the appropriate report. Customize the rent roll report as needed, selecting the date range and property details. Once your report is ready, click on Run Report to generate it. Review the rent roll data for accuracy before transferring it. Now, export the report by clicking on the Export button. Choose the export format, typically Excel or PDF, depending on your preference. Open the exported file and review the data once more. Next, open a new or existing financial statement in QuickBooks. Navigate to the Reports section again and select the financial statement type you need. In the statement, find the section for income from rent or property management. Prepare to input the rent roll data into this section. Refer back to your exported rent roll for the necessary figures. Input the total rent amounts as indicated in the report. Include any additional income or adjustments if applicable. Double-check all entries for accuracy to ensure proper reporting. Save your financial statement with the updated rent roll data. Consider running the completed financial statement to review its appearance. Make any necessary adjustments before finalizing your documents. Once satisfied, proceed to share or print your financial statement as required. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.